Hello, trading and investing fanatics. Today we're going to talk about Paysafe. So I've been holding Paysafe for over, I would say 4 months now, give or take. So let's go over Paysafe and let's look at the performance of Paysafe and what I am expecting from Paysafe. So I personally only have 100 shares of Paysafe and I've been selling covered calls on it and I bought it around $14.95. But I have been, since the covered calls, I have gotten down to $12.04 for my cost basis. And we're gonna head over to the chart to see what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna look at the chart of Paysafe. So Paysafe has been trading sideways for the past week, and we closed at 1380. So I marked down the date where they were de-SPACed from, it was March 31st, 2020. And ever since then, it's just been trading down a little bit and now we're kind of choppy sideways, yeah? So right now we're in this giant rising wedge. I remember watching this candle over here and it actually pulled back up. So it was a great sign that a lot of people wanted to buy in the 1250 area. So we have earnings coming up on May 11th before the market opens. So I'm definitely gonna tune into what's going to happen. And I believe the market makers are pricing in whatever we have now based on the options chain. It's relatively low volatility, so they're not really expecting like a big move. But if it does have a move, I think what they're gonna maybe want to do is doing like a gap up above the upper trend line or gap down somewhere. It depends on where price ends in the coming week or so. Anyways, I think Paysafe is looking really good. I think if we break out and we actually close above this trend line, I think we're gonna see Paysafe moving higher. Now, as long as the broad market index doesn't sell off, and so does the SPAC. Let's look at the SPAC first. So the SPAC index has been doing okay. It broke out now. It's kind of doing like a little small retracement. So in the coming week, hopefully we can see more upside, or if not, then we'll come down and retest this trend line, which will actually put us even lower, maybe. We'll see if it holds the 20-day. If it doesn't, then that means it's going lower and I'll be a bit more defensive. Right now on Paysafe, I'm actually doing the covered call, $14 covered call. I believe if we do break above the trend line, we're probably going to see the run. So that's why I sold the $14 covered call for 40 cents so far. Now, as long as the stock market doesn't go down, right now we're chopping sideways. The Qs are chopping sideways. The SPY is also a little bit sideways, but I think a pullback has a higher probability now that I look at it. But I'll play defensive and just gotta be on my toes. So that's pretty much it for Paysafe. It's a pretty straightforward company. I really like it, and the management team is really good. Bill Foley's behind it, so I'm not too worried about this stock. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys later.